In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, I had one of those dreams last night, where you're freaked out because you're thinking you overslept for work, which is really impossible for me, but it was like the old days where I had to go to the TV station and I was like freaking out and I was really late and it kept getting later and things kept slowing me down. And then I woke up and was like, I just have to walk to the front of the house now. How cool is this? All right, good morning, everyone. That was the prelude. Now I'll record for the 24-hour channel, and we'll add this to that. But it's chilly outside, 38 degrees up there on Sibley Lake. It's not the best morning for any boating because it's a little breezy, a little chilly, and it's 43 here in Alexandria. We got the clouds now. I think we get the sun to peek out a bit later. So it looks like we are... Hey, Sonia, thank you for being a new subscriber. I've never seen that... I've never seen that show up before. I'm very impressed. Very cool. There go our rain showers and storms off to the east. Those are getting out of here and continuing on to the east. Winter storm warnings all over the mountains out west. Big storm up here into New England, but the winter storm of yesterday is gone, and that is pretty much pushing off the shore there, and we're getting rid of these storms here. Only saw 2 actual reports of tornadoes yesterday. There was one near Columbia, Mississippi that was incredibly photogenic, though, so did a little damage from what I'm seeing, but I was just watching a video of it. It was crazy. That's why I came on a little later than I thought I was gonna. 43 degrees in Alexandria right now, 36 up in Shreveport. It's cooler to the southeast, or it's warmer to the southeast, cooler than it was yesterday. Here is your 24-hour temperature change. It was already pretty chilly up in Shreveport, so they had less of a distance to fall on the temperature. 23 degrees cooler in Lake Charles, 15 cooler here in Alexandria because we had a cold front come through. We also have those winds picking up. I was talking to Cole out at Mountain Man yesterday. We've got a tree to get done here. It's that time of year where it's a little muddy. So now's the time to get on the books and everything, but it's tough to get out and actually do that work because it's really nasty out there. Northeasterly winds about 5 to 15, gusting to 25 today. So the sustained is going to be lower, then you get those higher gusts. And it's going to be cool. Definitely jacket weather today. Low to mid 50s for highs in your forecast, and we should see those clouds decreasing throughout the day. GFS model is going to take us right into Saturday here, so we get through the boring stuff. And then Saturday, things start to show up by early afternoon. The question is this a band of supercells forming out ahead, and is this the main line right here? Once we get into these higher resolution models, we'll have a little better idea, but it looks like there's at least some possibility for isolated storms ahead of the main line. Yesterday, those had a little trouble getting going over here. I think Saturday, we have a better chance at seeing that coming together, so we do have that enhanced level 3 risk of severe weather in place. After that, we clear things out and we cool off once again. Looks like a nice stretch of cool weather. We have one day that's going to stand out against the cool weather, and that's Saturday. It could approach 80 degrees, but every other day you'll see in the 7-day, not looking too bad. So we have that enhanced level 3 of 5 risk for severe weather over the northern half of the area, basically from almost Leesville up to Natchitoches, Alexandria, and Faraday, and then continuing up into Mississippi and southeast Arkansas and western Alabama. So Saturday could be a pretty busy day, I think, in the afternoon and evening, and then those storms are going to get on out toward the east. But a lot of rainfall on the way, 1 to 3 more inches. That's going to come partially on Saturday and then partially with the next system that comes in around Tuesday or Wednesday. But after that, maybe we start to pump the brakes on things a little bit and get a little break from all this rain so Mountain Man can get out and get the trees out. It's got to happen. Thunderstorms very likely on Saturday. There's your 7-day forecast. We have 50s for the most part, and then we pop up to near 80 on Saturday. 63 Tuesday, a little surge of moisture comes in, warms things up, and then we cool back down for Wednesday. Looks like a chilly rain there. I don't see much of a threat for anything frozen or freezing or anything like that, but Wednesday toward the tail end of that, I'll be watching the thermometers, I'm sure, but probably going to be in the upper 30s and raining. So it does not look like there is much of a chance for anything locally. Going to stay cool for the rest of the month. It looks like relatively we're going to be below normal on the average. And like I said, I think we're also going to see the precipitation sort of wind down, at least for a few days there. So in that window from the 21st to the 27th, I think we wind down on the precipitation a little bit. Don't see much out there going from that. Well, thank you, Sam. And I love Grant Parish, too. Good morning. Good morning. Glad y'all are watching. It's weird as I get used to all this new stuff, which let me stop the recording, 24-hour channel. As I get used to all this new stuff, I I love the interface of just having Facebook up here, so I'm kind of deciding what I want to do. But it's weird. I have this other new thing here. Well, then I gotta go over here and I see all the YouTube comments too. So hi Dallas, I see you. Let's put Mother Nature out to pasture. Wind chills 39 degrees. I don't know. I'll figure it all out. Don't worry, it's all the same for you guys. I will see you back here tomorrow. No severe updates today, so obviously that's a good thing. So I will see you bright and early on your Friday. Have a great day.